What's going on, dividend lovers? This is Phil from Millennial Money Gains, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to do a quick stock analysis on ABBV. Ticker symbol is ABBV. This is one of my favorite high growth dividend stocks, and we're going to hop right into the video here. If you guys hold ABBV in your portfolio or love ABBV, please just make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Also, consider subscribing to the channel. We talk everything dividends on this channel, and you guys have access to my current dividend portfolio, which I share on this channel weekly. But ABBV is currently up 17% in the past year, which is absolutely crazy because the S&P 500 returned negative 19% in the past year. So pretty crazy there. In the last 6 months, ABBV is up about 4.2%. In the past month, ABBV is down about 2.2%, and in the past 5 days, ABBV is down about 2%. So we're going to get right into the juicy stuff here and go talk about ABBV's dividend. So ABBV currently pays a dividend yield of 3.66%, which comes to a forward annual payout of $5.92 and a payout ratio of 41.78%. ABBV has a 5-year dividend growth rate of 17.26% and dividend growth for the past 9 years. ABBV does pay a quarterly dividend at about $1.48 per share. And we're going to go right here into the dividend growth and check this one out. So Seeking Alpha gives ABBV a B- for dividend growth. They have about, in the past year or so, their dividend growth 8.46% compared to the sector median of 7.44%, which is about almost 14% more. ABBV's 5-year dividend growth rate, as we said, was 17.78%, which is actually 52% down from its previous 5-year average dividend growth rate. So we are going to hopefully see ABBV increase their dividend even more in the future, and we're going to have to look to see if they have the cash behind them to do so. So we are going to hop right into the numbers here and go to their financials. Now remember, this is just a blanket of what you guys have to look for. You guys got to make sure you're doing your own research, but this is what we like to look at if we're doing a quick little analysis. So ABBV has increasing revenues every single year, pretty substantial increases every single year since 2017. And now we're going to go over to their balance sheet. We're going to take a look at their cash and cash equivalents. So currently have about almost $12 billion sitting in cash, which is really awesome to see. We're going to take a look at their long-term debt. They have almost $11 billion in long-term assets. But here we go, long-term liabilities. Pretty crazy number there, almost $61 billion. But that is not uncommon in something such as this kind of healthcare industry. That's not super uncommon. Total shares outstanding does keep increasing over the past few years. We want to see ABBV really bring this down a little bit and hopefully buy back some of their shares, because that is what creates great shareholder value. If we take a look at ABBV's employees, they are currently increasing their employees, total employees, which is a good sign for a company to see if they're strong in not only revenue but net income. They do keep increasing their employees, and they currently have about 50,000 employees, with all of them being full-time employees. And now we will go to their cash flow to make sure that they can sustain this dividend growth, because that is what it's really all about. So their net income keeps rising, which is really great to see. Great for shareholders, great to see for the potential dividend growth. Cash flow from investing activities is actually negative, which is not too great to see. I think they need to really focus on their investments and try to get that into the positive. Cash flow from financing activities also in the negative. And changing cash equivalents also in the negative. So, looking at these numbers here, not too happy about this dividend. And let's just go over to Seeking Alpha and let's see if they think this dividend is safe, because right now I don't know if this growth is sustainable. So Seeking Alpha gives AbbVie a C- rating for dividend safety, and they're paying about 45% of their cash, the sector median being about 36% of their cash, and the 5-year difference for AbbVie about a 0.62% difference. So not too crazy there, but it is something that we should keep an eye on, that's for sure. So we're going to just take a look, and this is just remember, these numbers are arbitrary. You cannot take these. You got to take these with a grain of salt. But dividend estimates, they do see AbbVie continuing to grow their dividend for 2023, 2024, and 2025. So right now they're paying about $5.64 in dividends for the year. 2023 estimate is $5.93. 2024 estimate would be $6.13 for the whole year per share. And then 2025 is $6.44. So pretty good there to see the estimates really increasing on a year-to-year basis. But that's going to about wrap it up. Let me know what you guys think of AbbVie down below. I really would like to know your opinion. Let me know in the comments. Also, if you have AbbVie, if you like AbbVie, or if you took anything away from this video, make sure you smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Peace.